If you think AI is just for writing emails or generating images, you're missing the biggest money-making opportunity of our generation. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've used AI to make $2,000 in a single day with my business. My name is Fred, and I've built a business in my early 20s that consistently generates thousands of dollars per day in profit using the exact system I'm about to break down for you. So if you're ready to stop watching AI tutorials that lead nowhere and actually start making real money, pay attention because this is the blueprint. A few years ago, I was exactly where you probably are right now. I was watching videos, learning about business, consuming content, but not making any money really. I tried different things. I wasted times on business models that didn't work. But once I figured out how to use AI strategically in a high-ticket business, everything changed. I went from making nothing to consistently generating serious income. And the best part, AI made the entire process faster, easier, and more scalable than anything I'd ever tried before. So this isn't theory. This is what actually works when you execute it correctly. The first thing you need to understand if you want to print money using AI is that we want to focus on selling digital products specifically. But here's the critical part that everybody gets wrong. Don't sell some cheap $10 ChatGPT ebook that nobody reads and even wants to buy in the first place. Focus on selling high-ticket info products, consulting, or even services. We're talking $1,000 to $10,000 per client. Now, why digital products, you may ask? Because they have a much higher profit margin than physical products. There's no cost of materials, no storage fees, no shipping headaches. You create it once and you can sell it infinitely. Nearly every dollar you make is profit in your pocket. Here's how AI fits into this. You use AI to help you create your course content, your coaching frameworks, your client materials. Instead of spending weeks writing everything from scratch, you use AI to generate the first draft and then you refine it with your personal experience and expertise. This is going to cut your creation time down massively. What used to take a month now takes you a week, but you're still charging a premium because you're selling a transformation, a clear outcome, not just random information. The AI helps you scale your input, but you're the one providing the strategic thinking and the results. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So now, what we want to do is use AI to research what niche you're going to pick. This is where most people mess up before they even start. They either pick a niche that's too broad, or they choose something nobody's willing to pay for. Instead, we use AI to analyze market data and tell you where the opportunities are. You want to pick one niche within one of the three main markets. Those are health, wealth, or relationships. These are the three evergreen markets where people have been spending big money forever and will continue to spend big money forever. Ask AI to research trending problems in these markets. What are people struggling with right now in health? What's the new trend? At some point it was intermittent fasting or the keto diet. What business problems are entrepreneurs trying to solve? What relationship challenges are people willing to pay to fix? AI can scrape data, analyze forums, even videos, look at search trends, and give you insights that would take you weeks to gather manually. Then you pick the niche that's got the best combination of demand, willingness to pay, the most painful problem, and alignment with your skills or interests. For example, don't just say I'm going to help people with fitness. It's too vague. Use AI to narrow it down. Maybe it's I help executives lose weight in 90 days without spending hours at the gym because they're busy. Or I help new moms get their energy back and fit into their pre-pregnancy clothes in 6 months. The more specific you are, the easier everything else becomes. And the AI can help you find that specificity by showing you exactly what people are searching for and paying for. The key is that you want to make your solution around a painful problem. This is what allows you to charge high-ticket prices. And here's the difference. A vitamin to help you feel slightly better might cost $50, but a painkiller for an extreme pain you have to get rid of, that's worth $500 or more because it solves an urgent, painful problem. People don't pay premium prices for nice-to-haves. They pay for must-haves, for problems that are keeping them up at night, ruining their life. That's why it's an expensive solution, because it's worth a lot to fix that problem. Use AI to identify the most painful problems in your niche. Ask it, what are the biggest frustrations people have in this area? What are they complaining about? What have they already tried that didn't work? AI can analyze thousands of reviews, forum posts, social media comments, and give you a clear picture of what people are desperate to solve. Then, you build your offer around that painful problem. You're not selling a course on general business tips. You're selling a solution to help coaches sign their first 5 clients in 4 to 8 weeks. You're not selling generic health advice. You're selling the specific problem of someone who's tried 10 diets and none of them worked. The more painful the problem, the more you can charge. And when people get results, they don't care what you charge them. They're just grateful the pain is gone. Now, once you've got your niche and offer, the question becomes, how do we actually get clients? This is where AI becomes a game changer. We use AI in 2 ways. First, to reach out to more potential clients. And second, to personalize our messages so we don't sound like bots. Let me break this down. Cold outreach still works. This could be on LinkedIn, Instagram, email, whatever platform your ideal clients are on. But doing it manually takes forever. You can maybe reach out to 20 people a day if you're really focused. With AI, you can reach out to hundreds of people while still keeping it personalized. That's the real game changer. Here's how it works. You give AI information about your ideal client and the problem you solve. Then you give it data about the person you're reaching out to, their name, their business, their recent posts, whatever's publicly available. AI drafts a personalized message that references something specific about them and connects it to your solution. You review it, make a few tweaks so it sounds like you, and send it. This process that used to take 5 to 10 minutes per person now takes 30 seconds. But here's the key. You're not just blasting generic messages. Each one is customized. Each one feels personal. Each one is relevant to that specific person. So your response rates go way up because people can tell you actually looked at their profile and understood their situation. Scale this across 100 outreach messages a day and you're booking way more calls than you ever could manually. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Once you've got people interested and booking on calls, you need to close them. Here's the typical structure of a high-ticket sales call. It's the brief overview. You start with a quick intro to build rapport and make them comfortable. This should only take a minute. Then you move into discovery, where you ask questions to find their pains, their goals, what they've tried before, why it didn't work. This is the most important part. You're diagnosing their problem. Then if it's a fit, you pitch your solution and show them how it specifically solves the problem they just told you about. Finally, you either get payment or you handle any objections they might have. AI can help you prepare for these calls. You can feed AI information about the prospect and ask it to predict what objections they might have based on their situation. You can use AI to generate questions you should ask during discovery. You can even practice your pitch with your AI, acting as the skeptical prospect, and practice your objection handling techniques. This preparation makes you sharper on actual sales calls. You're not winging it, you're showing up prepared and confident. Now, what happens after you get a client? Delivery. This is where you actually fulfill what you sold. If it's a course, that's straightforward. You've actually created the content with AI's help. But I suggest you add 1 or a few group coaching calls to it. This bumps up the perceived value massively because now they're not just getting videos, they're getting live access to you. They can ask questions, they get accountability. That's worth way more than a course alone. If you're selling a service, you can deliver a lot of it via AI. For example, let's say you're helping businesses with their social media content. You're not manually writing every single post. You're using AI to generate the content based on their brand voice and strategy. Then you review it, make it better, and deliver it to the client. They're paying for the strategy and the results, not for you to personally type every word. This lets you serve more clients without burning out. Or let's say you're doing consulting. You can use AI to create custom reports, analyze their data, and generate recommendations. The AI does the heavy lifting on the analysis. You provide the strategic interpretation and action plan. You're leveraging AI to multiply your output while still providing high-value human expertise. Here's the thing most people don't understand about using AI to make money. AI is a tool, not a magic button. You can't just prompt ChatGPT to make some shitty ebook and expect money to fall from the sky. But when you combine AI with a legitimate, high-ticket business model, it becomes insane. It becomes a force multiplier. It lets you research faster, create quicker, reach out to more people, personalize outreach at scale, deliver more efficiently. All of this adds up to you being able to serve more clients and make more money without working 100 hours a week. The people making $2,000 a day with AI aren't doing anything crazy complicated. They're just using it strategically in the right business model. They're selling high ticket. They're solving painful problems. They're using AI to scale the parts that used to take forever. And they're showing up as the expert who ties it all together. So here's what you need to do. Pick your niche using AI research. Make sure it's in health, wealth, or relationships. Identify the most painful problem in that niche using AI to analyze what people are complaining about. Build a high-ticket offer around solving that problem. Use AI to help you create the content and materials. Use it to scale your outreach and book more sales calls. Close those calls using the framework I gave you. Deliver the results using AI to handle the heavy lifting while you provide the strategy and expertise. This is the exact system I use. This is how I've made up to a couple $1,000s a day. AI isn't going to make you rich by itself, but AI combined with a high-ticket business model, a painful problem you can solve, and your willingness to take action, that's the formula for making 6, 7, even 8 figures a year and having so much fun in the process. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.